Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to my video report text. Let me introduce myself. I'm Natsaidah, and together we will explore various interesting aspects of this livestock industry. So, watch till the end.
This dairy farm is a small business located behind my house in Minggirsari village, Kanigoro, Blitar. This dairy farm is around 20 years old, managed by my father and taken care of every day by my older brother. Holstein Friesian dairy cows, which are known for their high milk production. Here we provide enough cages to accommodate 9 dairy cows, which are divided into 3 main parts, each with different functions and characteristics. The first part, feeding weights, is the main enclosure. In this pen, there are 5 adult dairy cows. Each pen is equipped with a place to eat and drink, to meet drinking water needs in this pen. There is water source to meet the mineral needs of the cows here. The second part of the farm is located to the north of the main enclosure. This pen is smaller and only houses 2 dairy cows. This separation of pens is done to organize growth of cows or adapt to different care needs. The last part of this farm is the pen at the very back, facing west. This pen is specially designed for calf. The smaller size makes the calf feel safer and more comfortable. Apart from that, this cage also functions as a place to store food, such as fresh grass taken directly from nearby rice fields. This way, the availability of feed for cows is always guaranteed. Daily activities on this farm include cage cleaning, cow bath, manual milking, feeding grass and concentrate, milk collection by KUD officer. KUD officer will come twice a day to collect fresh milk, which will be sent to milk processing factories such as Friesian Flake. That's all my video. Thank you for watching.